I was sent this hair waver and I'm so excited to crimp with it. So I just plugged it in and you can see it's showing me that it's warming up. I think that's really pretty too. It kind of looks like a nice little rainbow of colors. It takes 90 seconds to heat up. So we'll let that sit for a little while more. And I'll tell you what else you get. You get 2 of these clips. I have one in my hair already and we have that sectioned off. Now this has a little swivel down here, so easy to use. And then you have those plates there. That's what it's gonna look like. You're just gonna clamp your hair and go down in sections. Now I already have wavy hair and I didn't do anything with it yet. So we're just gonna use this hair and we're gonna have fun with it. So let's get started. I'm gonna section piece by piece. So I'm just taking my hair in and I'm holding it down. And then moving it down. And there you go. Gets you that beautiful crimped wavy hair. Isn't that fun? That was so simple. Let me do another piece for you right here. So again, that's what it looks like on the inside. I'm taking it close to the root and I'm holding it for about 6 seconds. And then I'm just lifting it and bringing it down a little more. So the closer you do it, the closer the crimps will be. If you kind of space it out more, you'll see that your crimpy waves will be a little less tight. And you just go down the hairline. So simple. If you don't want it to be too tight, then I recommend at the end, just kind of run your fingers through it to give it that beautiful crimped wave. This is a piece of cake. It's so simple. It's really fun, especially if you're going to like an 80s theme party to really do your hair like in those nice tight crimps would be awesome. But you can also just use this to give yourself those soft, beautiful waves as well, which is kind of the look I'm going for right now. So I'm just taking it, loosely letting go a little bit, crimp, crimp. Ooh, I just heard a little sizzle. You can see a little bit of smoke coming off. It's officially heated up. So fun. This totally brings me back to like my junior high days. I love it. This is awesome for that wavy hair look. And I'm doing it on wavy hair. So if you already have wavy hair, you can certainly use this. If you have straight hair, it's gonna look awesome. If you have curly hair, you can get that crimping going as well. And the longer you wait and hold it, the more you're gonna see in the crimping. So I'm going kind of fast to get it more of like that lighter crimping. So pretty. Hope you like this demo of the waver. This thing is awesome. You're gonna love it.